Most buttons are flat because most developers stop at a solid background and a border. That gets the job done, but it does not create presence. This one does something different. It does not just sit on the page. It feels like it is carved from a surface and lit from above. That illusion comes from a few very intentional choices. Here is the base markup. That is the whole structure. Everything after this is styling. Then comes the surface. Instead of a flat gray color, the button uses a gradient that shifts from light to dark. That creates the sense that the top catches light while the bottom falls into shadow. So already, the button feels curved and physical. The key part is this. The rounded shape makes it feel softer, and the gradient gives it a directional light source. The real depth comes from the shadows. Not ordinary shadows. Inset shadows. These are placed around the edges of the button, so the rim feels highlighted from one side and darkened from another. The top edge gets a bright rim. The bottom edge picks up a cooler reflected tone. The left and right sides fall into shadow. That is what makes the button feel like it is sitting in space instead of just sitting on the screen. This is the part that really sells the effect. Those inset shadows are what make the button feel physical instead of flat. And then there is the glass layer. A backdrop blur makes the button interact with whatever is behind it. So the surface does not feel dead. It feels like it is reacting to the environment. That tiny detail is what pushes it from nice to polished. And this is the finishing touch. That blur adds a subtle glassy layer, almost like the button is catching light from its surroundings. So the trick is not magic. It is how light is simulated. A gradient for form. Inset shadows for depth. A blur for atmosphere. This is the full effect in one place. That is how a simple button becomes something that looks expensive. If you want more effects like this, drop a comment and I will make another one.